Okay. So next, what we are discussing in this case. So how to learn uh, language? That's what we discussed. Now, how to write a program is the second thing what we need to discuss in this case. Okay. So how to write a program? I wanted to end of the day. I wanted to write a program. That means I wanted to, if I wanted to write a program, okay, I need to have a language. I should know one language, any one computer language. Okay. Now you just think like this. You already know one language, computer language. Now how to write a program? This is the question here. You just think like you know one language, like Java, you know now. That means you know the statements, you know the keywords. That means you are started with tokens, then you learnt keywords, and then you learnt statements also. Three things you are now learnt. Now you wanted to write a program. That is the question. So then how to write a program is the question. So then this is what we need to understand here. Okay. So here we need to follow like this. First thing what you learned is, first step what you need to follow is writing algorithm. What is that? Algorithm. Algorithm is one more terminology what I'm following here. I'm going to explain you. These terminologies are very important. Okay. So first step what we need to follow is write algorithm.
Algorithms.
Even though you know program, you cannot come and write a program directly. First, what you write a algorithm. Second thing, what you do is draw the flow chart.
మనం
You, you,
చదువుకునేటప్పుడు ఏదైనా నోట్స్ యాడ్
you,
చేయాలంటే స్పేస్ అట్లా ఇది వర్డ్ చదివిస్తాం.
you understand?
Yes.
So
Draw
second
flow
thing is flow chart. Okay, you should write a flow chart, then write the program. So this is the way we have to follow while you are writing a program. So you cannot write directly the program. Okay, even though you know the language, we cannot write directly the program until unless you know the algorithm. Okay, so our concentration should be here. Please understand,
algorithm.
Java or JavaScript or nothing. If you don't know algorithm, na, you can't. I know Java, but I don't know how to write a program like that. So many people will come. Okay, I have seen so many people. The problem is this, because they don't know the algorithm. Algorithm is something like what? Algorithm is understanding computer, nothing else. What is computer and how I can tell to the computer, because computer is a dummy machine. It doesn't know anything, but it will have a capability. If you tell something, it will do accurately. Only that. That means it cannot understand what you are giving. It cannot, think it own something, like it is not having any intelligence. So what it is having is, if I give a statement or if you give an instruction, it will do that accurately. So in this case, okay, how I can give the instruction to the computer is nothing but algorithm. I need to think about it. Like algorithm is nothing but I have to think like I have a problem. So I know how to do it also, but I have to tell to the computer to do that. I know how to do it also. I know that manually I can do that. But I don't want to do, because I wanted to make computer to do that. Then how to do that? To study about that is nothing but algorithm. Understand? Second thing is flowchart. Flowchart is something like what? You have to, you in the algorithm generally we write in a normal statements kind of, in English only, in English, Telugu, nothing, doesn't matter, you write in Telugu also. Important thing is the knowledge is important. You are expressing in any language, doesn't matter for me. You're understanding? Okay. So
Okay.
algorithm is nothing but I am writing the step by step things, how to give it to the instruction to the computer. Step by step I'm writing here. Okay, in my own language. If I'm familiar with English, I can write it in English, or else I will write in the Telugu only. Better you guys write in Telugu only. That I can, because I don't know English. If you speak very big English also, I can't understand. I wanted to understand whether you guys are following correctly or not. So if you follow in Telugu, I can understand clearly. I can correct you. Okay, that is the problem with me because I don't know English. I can say that. Okay, so next thing what you have to do is draw the flowchart. Flowchart is nothing but pictorial representation of the algorithm, nothing else. You are representing the algorithm in a pictorial manner, means in graphical manner. So for the flowchart, there are some symbols and all we have to learn. Using those symbols, you are actually translating algorithm into flowchart, nothing else. That is what is flowchart that we are going to learn. Then writing a program. Program is nothing but again the same thing. Either you consider flowchart or you consider algorithm and you translate into your own computer language. That's it. Computer is also language, right? So you return the statements in your own language and you are translating into computer language. That's it. That is what is nothing but program. Understood? So for say
Yes.
this program is writing in Java language, that means you know the Java, that Java statements and everything, and you return the algorithm in your own language like English or Telugu. First statement, whatever is there, you translated the equivalent statement in Java. Second statement, equivalent statement, you translate. Translation, you know, right? Telugu to English, English
Yes.
to Telugu, other language. Generally, translation will have like that only. Nothing else. This is the way you should write programs.
Okay.
Understand? So this is
Yes.
the way you have to write always. You practice what actually you are practicing algorithm, not Java.NET. And this algorithm is writing in your own language, right? So that is suitable to the computer, right? So this algorithm, you know all the language. That's it. Nothing else. Example I'm telling you here. You know about you know Telugu. Na in Telugu, what is kaki? Tell me.
Crow.
Okay. You are learning kaki. While you are learning kaki, you know there is a ice and it is in black in color. It is having two legs and it is do all these things. You know that already. Now all you need to do is you wanted to put it in English. All you need to do is equivalent word for this. What is crow? That's it. You don't want to know here. It is having two legs again. It is having black in color. All these things you don't want to do because you know already here. What is that? That
Okay.
simple it is. While learning algorithm, language is nothing. You can write the same algorithm in Java or JavaScript or .NET or C, C++. It is suitable for each and every language. All you need to do is how to write the statement. What is the statement? Here it is crow. In Tamil, what you will say? Kaka. In Kannada, what you will say? That's it. You wanted to learn. Okay, I know. I can start writing it. That's it. Understand? So this is the more concentration. Like how to write algorithms are very important. Then using this algorithm only, you are writing the flowcharts. Okay. Here it's you are just translating into. This is just practicing the translation power, like how you are translating one thing into another with the equivalent symbols and all. It's also very easy. So we can practice that. Then we'll come back and learn any language because you already know you are become programmers here only. You are already programmers here. Okay. If you know
Okay.
this, you are already programmers. All we need to do is what is the statement. That's it. That within 1 hour I can tell you in Java what are the statements are there. That's it. Here only
Okay.
we'll need to spend more time how to write a algorithm. Algorithm means step by step representation of how to give instruction to the computer in your own language. Okay, so I'm stopping here this session. Please go through with this video. I will share you after the recording is ready, and if you have any doubts you can discuss now.
Also, the recording of yesterday, the last session.
Yesterday nothing, again today I told you na. Yesterday, since it is just like initial,
Not yesterday. I think before that also there was this session which I missed.
that's already uploaded in YouTube. You can just go and see.
Acha, acha. Okay.
You please use YouTube because that is like I wanted to more views there. That's what.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.